Hello, welcome to Fura's kitchen. I hope you're well. So today we're going to make coleslaw salad. It's a very nice yummy salad. Goes well with some baked potatoes and chicken or fries or whatever you want to have it with. So for this salad you're going to need cabbage finely chopped and carrots and onions. And for the dressing, we need some mayonnaise and vinegar or lemon, and a little bit of sugar and salt. And what did I not say? And some milk. So let's watch and learn. So here I am grating carrots. I used like 1.5 carrots. Yeah, I like using this thing. Yeah, it grates carrots nicely. So I'll grate like 1.5 carrots, and then we'll go get into onions. So guys, at this point, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Subscribe, share, like, and comment below whatever you think about this video. I'll appreciate. Yes, please just subscribe. So it's time to add in the onions. I chopped the onions and then add into the mixture, and then I made the dressing. I used mayonnaise, like 3 tablespoons, or you can use as much as you want, and then some milk, and then I added some salt, and then I added some sugar, just a little bit, please. For me, I added excess. Just use like half a tablespoon, a half a teaspoon. Then I added vinegar. You can use lemon. I think lemon is better. And then I mixed well, mixed thoroughly. Yeah, mixed that thoroughly. Then I added into the salad. Yeah, and then give that again a good mix so that the dressing can incorporate well in the salad. Yeah, and then you can let it chill for like, yeah, for some minutes before serving it. Let it sit for some minutes before serving. Yeah, and then there you have your fresh crunchy salad. Thank you for watching.